Google Gemini, a breakthrough in future technology. What do you know about Google Gemini? This tool is on the verge of changing technology as we know it today. So get comfortable. In this video, I will talk about its capabilities, and you will be amazed at everything it can do. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. But what is Google Gemini? Google Gemini has been described as the future colossus of artificial intelligence, designed to be the most powerful AI ever created. Gemini prides itself on its advanced capabilities. It engages in conversations that mimic humans, understands languages with ease, decodes images accurately, generates code efficiently, performs data analysis, and serves as the creative spark for developers creating new AI applications and APIs. Soon, Gemini is expected to expand and potentially power a multitude of Google products and services, shaping the digital landscape. If you've been keeping up with the news, you'll have noticed that last year witnessed an intense artificial intelligence war. Giants like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google clashed, each revealing increasingly impressive models. Google, which was not an initial contender in the AI field, now propels itself to the forefront with Gemini. The stage was set on the 6th of December, 2023, when Gemini made its debut. The coming days will reveal the unfolding saga as this innovative AI model steps into the spotlight. Denis Hassabis, CEO and co-founder of Google DeepMind, sheds light on the origin of Gemini. This AI powerhouse arises from a collaborative effort across Google. Including the diligent minds in Google research built from scratch, Gemini stands out for its multimodal ability, seamlessly understanding and integrating various types of information: text, code, audio, image, and video. It's not just an AI, it's a versatile and complete intelligence. Its main characteristics are: Google Gemini is the new artificial intelligence AI model from Google, which is expected to be launched in the near future. It is a multimodal model, capable of processing information from different types and sources, such as text, images, sound, etc. Its goal is to mimic the way the human brain processes information, using two hemispheres that complement each other. Google Gemini is the successor to Palm 2, the current AI model that powers various Google features, such as the Bard chatbot, the Duet AI tool, the Help Me Write function, and the integrated AI search. These features allow users to generate text and images, improve their writing, search for information, and more using Google's AI. Palm 2 is also used for non-productive purposes, such as medical research and cybersecurity. Google Gemini aims to improve all these features and adapt to future developments, such as better memory and planning. Google Gemini is also designed to be more collaborative, integrating with other tools and APIs. Google Gemini will be a key rival for OpenAI's GPT, another multimodal AI model that is proven capable of generating high-quality and creative content. Google Gemini is a state-of-the-art AI model, promising to revolutionize the field of AI and offer new possibilities to users. Google Gemini is the result of years of research and development, and it is expected to be a powerful and versatile tool for the future. If you are enjoying the content, remember to like and subscribe. You would help us a lot. There are three types, which are Gemini Ultra. It is the largest and most capable model from Google, designed for highly complex tasks. This artificial intelligence, AI model, stands out for its ability to understand and act quickly on different types of information, including text, images, audio, video, and code. Gemini Ultra is not just another AI model. It has proven to be capable of generating high-quality and creative content, surpassing OpenAI's GPT-4 in several parameters. In fact, Google assures that Gemini Ultra surpassed GPT-4 in 30 out of the 32 standard academic tests to evaluate these models. Gemini Ultra is expected to be launched at the beginning of next year with a dedicated version of the Bard chatbot called Bard Advanced. Bard Advanced, powered by Gemini Ultra, promises to offer capabilities on par with or superior to those of GPT 3.5. In summary, Gemini Ultra promises to be a powerful and versatile tool for the future, revolutionizing the field of AI and offering new possibilities to users. With years of research and development behind it, Gemini Ultra is ready to change the game in the field of AI. Gemini Pro. It is the successor of Palm 2, the current artificial intelligence AI model that powers several Google features. This AI model stands out for its ability to scale across a wide range of tasks. It powers several Google features, including the Bard chatbot, the Duet AI tool, the Help Me Write feature, and the integrated AI search. These features allow users to generate text and images, improve their writing, search for information, and more using Google's AI. Gemini Pro has been available since yesterday and can be tested through Bard. During its presentation, Google reported that Bard is now powered by Gemini Pro. This means that its capabilities are on par with or above, according to Californians, those of GPT 3.5. Gemini Pro promises to be a powerful and versatile tool for the future, revolutionizing the field of AI and offering new possibilities to users. With years of research and development behind it, Gemini Pro is ready to change the game in the field of AI. Gemini Nano. It is the most efficient model from Google, designed to run tasks directly on a mobile device. This artificial intelligence AI model stands out for its ability to allow users to access the functions of Google Gemini without needing an internet connection. It is known for its efficiency, as it consumes little battery and memory. This makes it ideal for devices with less computing and memory capabilities. Gemini Nano is ideal for simple and quick tasks, such as translating, searching, or generating short text. This means that users can take advantage of Google's AI capabilities on their mobile devices to perform everyday tasks efficiently. Gemini Nano is available for mobiles. This means that users can start experiencing the capabilities of Gemini Nano on their mobile devices. In summary, Gemini Nano promises to be a powerful and versatile tool for the future, revolutionizing the field of AI and offering new possibilities to users. With years of research and development behind it, Gemini Nano is ready to change the game in the field of AI. How will it be used? Covering a wide range of uses, from content production and customer service automation to innovations in sectors such as medicine and research. Companies and individuals can benefit from Gemini's capabilities in several ways. Improved natural language processing can enhance interactions with customers, making chatbots and virtual assistants more sophisticated and responsive. Content creation may witness a revolution with AI, assisting in the generation of high-quality written material, saving time and resources. In the business realm, decision-making processes could become more informed as Gemini's advanced capabilities enable thorough analysis of large data sets, providing valuable insights. In addition, educational institutions can leverage Gemini to enhance learning experiences, offering personalized and context-aware educational content. The global impact of Gemini extends to sharing knowledge on an unprecedented scale. With responsible AI at its core, Google envisions billions of people benefiting from innovations that prioritize ethical considerations. Her future. Google Gemini, with its adaptability and optimization in different versions, has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Its impact can extend to various industries and applications, from healthcare to research. In addition, Google is working to make Gemini accessible to everyone, which could allow billions of people to benefit from its innovations. However, the true extent of its impact will be known over time. Gemini, threat, or advance? Leave your opinion in the comments. If you liked the content, don't forget to like and share it. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us continue sharing interesting information.